Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How you doing? This is just to prove to you that you can do a review video anywhere. I'm actually sitting in a car. Look at, I got the seatbelt on. See? I'm not driving, just so you know. I'm not driving. I'm parked. I'm waiting for my father-in-law who's got some medical stuff going on. So I'm sitting here doing the review. So first off, welcome to the page. Make sure you hit subscribe. This is a review on something that's really, really unique. I've actually never seen a program that does this. This is called Puzzle Profitz. And as you can guess, it's about making profits off puzzles. Now, puzzles, guys, are a huge, huge industry on on Kindle. There's so many people buying the puzzles. It's just crazy. Like, so this, what this thing does is actually it makes just automatically makes puzzles for you, and then you can upload it. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you a demo they have, and then we'll talk about, actually, I'll show you my bonuses first. Guys, make sure you hit subscribe because I do videos on reviews all the time, and you want to be either subscribed or get on my email list. First off, the bonuses we're going to give away if you decide to pick this up for a couple of bucks and start making money just creating puzzles in your free time. This is like total beach. This is such beach money. Sit in a chair on the beach with your laptop, make 10 puzzles, publish them to Amazon, and then go party for the rest of the day. Do that every day for 90 days, and you'll have a huge library. All right, so we're going to give away Stealth HD. It's an amazing way to get all your inboxes. And guys, you may go, well, I don't email people. Well, start. You need to, if you're an affiliate marketer or you're making money online, you need to build an email list. You need to be emailing people. So this is Stealth HD. Next one we have is Boost Your SEO. You're going to have web pages. You're going to have lots of little sites out there. You want to be driving people to pages where they can go find your Amazon stuff. So you definitely want to know how to boost your SEO. We've got ClickBank Mastery. So now once you start selling these puzzles and you're collecting emails, you can actually start selling other things from ClickBank to those people that you've been selling the puzzles to. So you want to learn how to master ClickBank and then expand it to all the niches on ClickBank. And of course, Backlinks Warrior. You want to be able to build backlinks to those little pages that you make about puzzles. And Backlinks Warriors, you've got to have backlinks, guys. Like, backlinks is so important. This basically does it all for you, and we're going to give that to you first 24 hours. So you definitely want to pick up our bonuses. And then, guys, the vendors put together this mega bonus section just for a few affiliates. We're going to get you access to all those bonuses as well. So there's just going to be a whack load of bonuses there. So you just want to be able to click the button. Now, if you're going, Glenn, I don't want to build puzzles, scroll down to the bottom here, grab my 6-figure blueprint, totally free. Click here, download it, and just follow that, and you will start having success online. All right. Let's go up and look at let's go look at the demo first. Look, it's $2 off. You can get it for 15 bucks. Okay. Let's look at the demo here. The demo is just kind of a music one. So check it out. It doesn't show you that much. It shows you just kind of thing, but I'll show you the back office as well. We can go through it. So let's go. I need to click on this and play it.
Nico on the beat.
All right, guys. So you get the gist of it. How quick is that? How cool is that? Now, we're going to go through the sales page here. Now, like I said, you can get $2 off. You can get this for 15 bucks. So in order to get this to pop up, you just want to scroll your mouse off the screen when you're on the sales page here, and you'll get this discount coupon. Okay. Now, we're going to go through this. Join the elite group of winners who are publishing puzzle books on Amazon KDP, following 3 simple steps that take less than 5 minutes. Create hundreds of huge selling puzzle books in minutes. Build your fortune in passive income. You don't need any marketing or tech skills. Everything is done for you. Simply follow the 3 steps and watch the money pour in. So they have a full training for you guys. This is showing you, they're showing you the income they can make. People love to relax and unwind. They love to keep their brains active. Guys, you know what? In my house right now, we're playing this puzzle word game where you write in a 5-letter word, and then you have like 5 or 6 steps to guess what the word is. My mother-in-law's playing it. My wife is playing it. I'm playing it. We're all playing it. I play Sudoku all the time. It just relaxes my mind. That kind of thing. My daughters are getting into crossword puzzles and word circle puzzles like this one makes. So very, very cool. So it's people love puzzles, guys. So anyways, you can go through the sales page, create. They show you how to do everything. Let's go into the back office here. This is the back office. This is just the your puzzles. So the dashboard is here. Very, very simple. You log in. It's going to give you, this is a basically a demo copy of it, guys. They've got training and tutorials here. Contact us, your puzzles. And just like they did, guys, the puzzle generator is as easy as you just go in here and put in the words that you want to do. Like you could have it, apples, oranges, pears, bananas. I spelled bananas wrong. Oh well. Kiwi. You could have a whole fruit puzzle, right? And whatever. You could do kind of anything like that, and then you submit it, and it just creates it. Boom! It makes your puzzle board for you. So, oh look, it's got a space there. This is where that comma I put in there. So, and then you could just add more strawberries. So we would, and then you would just name it. So basically, guys, I've got a space in here. That's why it's got a weird thing going on there. I think it's after apples. Anyways, that's it. Really, really simple to use. We'll pop over and we'll look at what the price of this thing is, what the OTOs are. So the front end, like you saw, you can get it for $15. So you want to do that thing. So you get the first training. Now, I always recommend, guys, always get unlimited puzzles and unlimited profits. So you can create unlimited puzzles. You can get it for the downsell of $27. Now, if you're really tech challenged, this is really simple, guys. But if you're really tech challenged, get them to set it up for you. You can get that for a downsell of $147. You don't really need reseller rights unless you're going to go out there and be an affiliate and sell this product. Then absolutely pick up the reseller rights. Then you'll be able to sell this program and keep all the profits yourself. So you get 100% commissions on that. What are my thoughts on this program? I think it's cool, guys. This is one of those ones that, like, really, you get this, and like I said, you spend, set a timer, 30 minutes a day for 90 days. Go create as many puzzles as you can in that 30 minutes, 90 minutes a day. Just keep publishing them on Kindle. Publish. Turn them into multi-page books, like get my 10 puzzle pack or my 20 puzzle pack or whatever it is. You sell them for a couple bucks. Remember, you make it once, it can sell over and over and over and over. And remember, you're not doing any of the advertising because Kindle does all that. It just happens in Kindle for you. Now, to drive even more traffic, you could put little pages up. You could do social media posts. You could do some SEO and make little websites saying, hey, go get my crossword puzzles, right? Or go get my word search puzzles. And you make a little page there. You SEO it. You put backlinks on it and you share it on social media. But guys, you can do this 30 minutes a day and just start building a library of, it's all about It's all about content, guys. The more content you get out there, the more it's going to be found, the more money you're going to make. So definitely recommend grabbing this. This has been Puzzle Profit's tutorial demo walkthrough. I think it's a very cool product. You don't see many of these products come along. Most of them are just sort of make money online, or they're either marketing suites or they're training. This is very unique. So it's something you can pick up for, you can pick up the license rights for 150 bucks, or the whole thing, 100 bucks, and then go out and start selling these tomorrow. Really easy to use. All right, guys. Glen Murray, affiliate profit pages. This is Puzzle Profits. Go down below, click the link. You'll pick up, you'll go to the bonus page, click on any of the links. You'll be able to grab this, grab my bonuses. And if you want to jump on a Zoom call with me anytime, just message me and we'll get on there and we'll see where you are in your business. All right, guys. Talk to you on the next one. Bye.